So for the Westinghouse ROKU TV, the series HD Smart TV, and here's the model number, WR24HT2212. I'm gonna show you the connectors and the slots at the back of the TV. If you're curious as to what you can connect, since the different TV brands have different connectors in there. So basically, you'll have the connector for the old consoles, so that red and yellow green composite connector. And also quickly just showing you where to find the model number if you need it when you call the support. Usually, or you want to look into your TV just in case you lost the manual or you don't know how to look it up in the TV itself. Again, here. So you'll have a headphone slot there, and you do have a spot there where you can reset your TV. I haven't tried it yet, but we will in a different video. And then at the back, you do have three HDMI slots. You have the optical, the connector for the antenna, and a USB slot. So I'm going to show you just a quick connect on all of them. So there's three slots for the HDMI. I'm only going to show you one. So make sure you, when you're connecting an HDMI wire or connector or connection, you have to push it snug, all of them you have to. And that's for the USB. So for the USB slot, you can definitely use it for like a hard drive with photos, videos on it. You can also use it for if you want to charge your phone. I'm going to show you that individually as well. And then here's for the optical cable. Optical cables are for your sound bars. So I have a sound bar that can connect through Wi-Fi or through Bluetooth, but the Westinghouse ROKU TV does not have Bluetooth capability. So if you have a sound bar that you want to connect to this TV, you need to have that optical cable. And I did connect the slot for the headphone as well. And this is for the composite cable, the red, green, and white cable. These are used for old consoles, like the old Super Mario game console, the Sega. I'll do it individually as well, but here the slots are all filled up, and it's easy to connect them, and you do have that. And here's how you look into those connections once you've connected them at the back of your TV. You are going to the settings using your Westinghouse ROKU TV remote and go to TV inputs. On there, you can even name your inputs so you don't have to keep scrolling on which input you have, because there's three HDMI. You have the AV, and then here's the one that you need to do an input. That one is for if you're connecting an antenna, which I did. So it's going to show you set up live TV, and here's the antenna. So because I connected that, I'm going to show you quickly on this one. But it's not really quick because you have to scan channels. But I'm going to show you as well on this video on how to set up live TV right away without having to do a Wi-Fi. So I have an antenna. It's a Philips HD crystal HD antenna. So I'm just going to show you quickly. I have a separate video on connecting this antenna, but it's a Philips Crystal HD amplified antenna that I connected on the Westinghouse ROKU TV, so I can use it right away without having, or if you want to use it right away without having to use any Wi-Fi. So as soon as you've set up the TV, you can go set up live TV and go to the antenna. As long as you're done connecting the antenna at the back of the TV, you are able to do this. You have found that it has found 37 channels using the Philips HD Crystal HD antenna. It takes a little bit, so you can view the channel guide, right? So for the Roku TV, it's also going to tell you that they've added a free ad-supported live streaming TV channels to your antenna lineup. So, of course, they want to sell you the streaming channels, so they will add that up. You have that option. But here's a quick guide as well. Since we added the antenna, these are basically the channels that you'll be able to have access to, the free channels with this Westinghouse ROKU TV. So for the guide, it's going to tell you the date today, the time of the channel, the time of the TV shows, the title. So it's going to show you all channels. If you want to go jump to recommended channels, you can also add favorites, and there will be add-ons. Roku TV, or they will add add-ons there just for you to have an option to subscribe. And then the reasons, if you've watched channels, it's going to show there, and it's going to have the genres of channels that are available there too. There's a lot of channels. That's why I'm showing you this, all of it, so you can see, just in case you're looking for. So here's the one I'm talking about. So you have crime, entertainment, TV shows, comedy. There's channels in Spanish as well. So that's what you get when you have an antenna and you've correctly scanned it in your Westinghouse ROKU TV HX Series HD Smart TV.